We are back. Baja Designs ditch light install. Let's do it.
Got our Baja Designs Squadron Sports in. Wow. Quality feels super good. The brackets and the wiring harness. Yeah, all the mounting hardware, and then I really like that. So it has the clear lens, but it comes with a pack of the covers that like change the pattern. So it's pretty cool. And then it comes with a sticker. So I might pop that on the back of the truck. Yeah, so it actually came with 2 sets of lenses, like fully cleared texture, and then it's got this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It looks pretty sick. Shout out to Baja Designs though. I mean, they shipped that super fast. They got here in like 4 or 5 days. Or maybe it was like a week, but whatever. All right, so we got our mounts, left one, right one. I'm gonna do these first, and then I'll mount the lights onto these bracket things, and then we'll attempt wiring. I don't know, I never do shit like this, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so we basically just loosen those, slide this in there, and then it'll poke out right there. All right, it's pretty easy. First one's in. Yeah, so you basically take that one out, replace it with this like 6mm hex bolt thing, and then you loosen it and then tighten it up with the bracket. It's hot out here. All right, so we got the brackets mounted. Nice and low profile, I like it. Quick tip, if you do this, put like a rag right here because this kind of fumbles around, so this can scratch it real easy. But pod 1, loosely mounted. Okay, I messed up before. This like the actual bracket is supposed to go, you know, above the roof, the fucking hinge thing, because I had it the other way around. So, all right, quick tip: definitely install this bracket piece onto the actual bracket before doing this, because you literally like you can't get to it because it's so small with this on here. So you have to, I had to take the light off to do it again. So all right, they are mounted. So let's do the wiring. All right, got the battery all connected, this wiring harness. Kind of a mess right now, but let's get it hooked up and secured. All right guys, definitely hardest part is getting behind this firewall thing and doing that hole and putting this fucking switch through. That sucked, but we did it. Okay, getting this panel off. All right, got the panel. All right, pretty much done. Pretty much done. Just gotta get this the switch. I think you can like put it in there. I don't fucking know. It's just sitting right there. I literally don't get it. How the fuck do you get this into here? How, bro? How? It is weird. I really couldn't find a install video on YouTube of specifically a 4th gen Tacoma with this setup. I just couldn't find it. So I had to watch Diode Dynamics video of their A-pillar lights. So Baja Designs YouTube channel, you guys are slacking. You guys need to put out more install content. So all right, figured it out. So you take this connector to controller and put it through, pull this all the way through. All right, so I think you just, fuck yeah. Okay, so I got the switch in. Toggles pretty well, so I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're done. Let's get this panel back on and nice. And then this cap's sweating my ass off, but we did it. I freaked out because
I turned on the switch and only one of the lights worked, but I just had it plugged in backwards, so thank God. All right, last step was to get just all the cables kind of like zip tied down. Just ran it all the way along that area. It's kind of a mess over there, but I don't know, we can fix that later. They're on. They look good. I was kind of worried about impeding my vision, but it's not bad. It kind of like, this part kind of was already in the way anyway, so it's not bad. But let's see what it looks like. Sick. Well guys, they're on. They look exactly how I thought they would, so, which is great. Install took like 2 hours, but we got it done. It works, looks great, and I successfully did some electrical shit, so looks pretty good. I'm stoked. It is crazy bright. I mean, I'm like blinded. Yeah, it's like insanely bright, honestly. Like, it's really hard to tell. Yeah, guys, they are really, really bright. For sure. See, I didn't even need the pros. These are plenty good. So off and then on. Wow. Again, off, on. Sweet. I'm hyped, guys. These are gonna be so sick when you're like on a trail at night, but definitely didn't need the pros. It's like an extra $100, so I think these are plenty fine. Get the sports. I'm hyped, guys. I do have a fishing pole. There's a pond right there. I'm gonna see if I can catch a fish in like 10 minutes. Let's try it. Yeah, I picked up this little ugly stick with the reel the other day, so let's see if I can get something. We're out here. I'm giving it like 10 more minutes. Let's see if we can get something. I don't know. They must be asleep. All right, we didn't catch any fish, but oh well, we were only there for like 25 minutes. Lights turned out really good. Stoked on it. Stoked on how the build's coming along. Some pretty exciting stuff coming. Some OEM Toyota parts. Probably not the one you're guessing. But, so, new videos coming soon. More trails, more shit like that, more fishing. So, subscribe. One last look at the pods. Boop. Sick. Good, such a good choice. Go with the Baja designs. Woo, right. Successful day, successful install.